This strategy works worldwide and you won't need a camera or any skills in order to get paid. This is for free and it is easy as long as you will be watching every step that I'll be showing you in this video. Make sure you won't skip any parts of this video because you might not earn anything if you do. This won't take much of your time and for sure the benefits that you will get from this are awesome. Just imagine making money online in an easy way. So, watch the full video to learn how. This will help you earn money online, so make sure to follow each step I will show you in this video. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. So the very first site that I will be showing you is called Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will be paying us. Now, Shutterstock is a place where you could literally find thousands of royalty-free images, meaning when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. The reason so many people are using Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper to pay Shutterstock a set amount of money per month and download images that were taken by professional photographers rather than to buy a camera and try to take them yourself or alternatively, having to pay a photographer. So this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just simply a cheaper, easier alternative if you want to find some great-looking images. Now, you will find on their homepage some of the world's biggest companies. You have the likes of Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel, so it's definitely a legitimate website. Now, as I said, this site will pay us, and this means that we will have to upload photos here. Here's the catch. You won't need a camera or any skills for this purpose. I know that most of you watching this don't have a camera, let alone skills or experience in photography. So I'll make it clear right away that you won't need them. Something that makes Shutterstock so great to make money online with is that you'll essentially be making money passively. The way you get paid is as simple as when someone downloads your photo. You get paid a set amount of money, and since your photos stay on here forever, that means that you can make money in pure passive income. You just upload the photos here and leave them be, and that's all there is to it. Something that makes Shutterstock even better is the fact that it's so popular. You can see exact statistics here on SimilarWeb. As far as Shutterstock is concerned, the numbers are increasing, as you can see. This is the number of people visiting the site in the past month. So basically, not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, but it also means that you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money. The numbers have been increasing as of late, so it's a great time to start using it to get paid. Anyway, back on Shutterstock, I want to show you what you need to do when you first come on here, and that is to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is located just under For Contributors section. Doing so will take you straight over to here, and on this page, there are several things I'd like to show you. First off, you can see in a bit more detail on how this works. So basically, photographers take their pictures, they then upload them onto Shutterstock, and they will make money every time their content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. So like I said before, the more downloads on your photo, the more money that you will make. Since this site gets so much traffic, it's virtually guaranteed that you will get paid a decent amount. Lastly, on here, you can see that you can also refer people here to earn more money. This site is actually fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and I'll go over that later on. For now though, the last thing I want to show you is this. By clicking on See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is available worldwide. I've been getting a ton of comments from people who want sites that are available in most countries, and Shutterstock definitely is. If you're from Africa, Asia, or wherever, it doesn't matter. This site will work in your country. You can make money using this site. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, what you need to do is come back over here and click on Get Started. You can just enter your basic information and create an account and you're good to go. With that done, let me show you the site where you can get the set of photos. And idplr.com is what you will want to use. This is a site where you can find not only images, but also various other products. You can see which products exactly by hovering your mouse over products. You've got ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music. Since we're after photos, you'll want to click on With Resale Rights, located just under the graphics section. That will take you over here. As you've seen, it says Graphics with Resale Rights, which means we have full rights to make money off of these photos. Something I really like about this site that I think you will too is that these photos are all grouped up into packages. So you won't have to spend so much time downloading them one by one. Just download one of these packages that contain hundreds up to thousands of different photos. For example, here is one of those that I've opened up. If you scroll down here, you will see that this can be sold. So you can sell this and make money off of it. You also have some things you can't do, such as modify the product. So keep that in mind and make sure to read all of these before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, you just have to click on Download right here, and in order to do that, you'll need an account. So just click on here and create one real quick. Once you do that, you will want to download all of the packages you can find on here, and then just come back over to Shutterstock and upload all of these photos, since there will be so many of them that enable you to make a lot more money in passive income, since you're literally talking about thousands of photos here. Now with that said, for those of you who have stayed with me up until this point, I actually have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money in passive income through their referral program. Simply scroll down to the bottom once more and click on Affiliates located under the Partner section and just check this out. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So a single person you refer here can earn you up to $300. It's insane! Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So it's definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various social media platforms like Facebook. You don't need to, but it is a great option in my opinion, since the money will start adding up when you add the affiliate program. Lastly, in case you're a photographer or want to become one and you have a camera, then that's the best option out of all, since taking the photos yourself will add originality. And to top it all off, you will be able to do what you love. So in that case, you don't need my strategy in order to get paid. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.